Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Oriental Carpet Thailand. Today, I will take you to our framings warehouse. Besides carpet, we also have a framing services. We have all kinds of frames that made from wood, aluminum, or even plastic frames. Our frames are skillfully crafted on a made-to-order basis and is done by our specialists with experience in making frames more than 25 years. We have wide selections of frames and is done by our experienced technicians that will help you create a perfect masterpiece frames. Every frame of artwork you bring to us is important to you, so as is important to us as well. On selecting a frame matching to the best showcase of your carpets, printing, watercolors, photography, oil and canvas, sketching, prints and posters, certificate, drawings, spot memorabilia, and a mirror, our designer consultant will help work closely with you.
Are you all my personal dreams?
We pay attention to all the details just like the work hanging in our gallery. We can help you hand stitch any piece of your artwork into frames in any size. Moreover, we also provide a compressing and enlarging image service in any size with our high quality machines, prints at a reasonable price. We have free pickup and delivery services, so if you are not convenient to visit in our showroom, we can come to you and we will bring examples of our frames.
Everything you know is in your mind. Are you all my personal dreams?
If you're looking for Louis frame, we also do have. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can also call us or email us at orctl@yahoo.com or comment in the link below. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. See you in next video.